pick up the phone, dial number, you can't reach him. That's your brother gonna check on me like me. Growing up, all we had was a like me.
Cousin, hey girl, what's up? And if you're new here and you're not my cousin, welcome.
Welcome, baby.
So as you see right here, we have this 360 frontal wig from Superbwigs or Superb Hair, and I'm gonna be installing it on my girl Dee Deborah. That's her right there. She came braided already, like a lifesaver. Cause I was sick. Well, yeah, I still be working when I'm sick because I'm that girl. You know what I'm saying? I'm that girl. It wasn't no sick, you know, where you get other people sick. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't that kind of sick. So yeah, this was my first time doing a 360 frontal wig. It was, I could say it was easier. Look at that baby. Who baby? Who baby in my house? Oh my God, who baby? And then he climbing all up on the ladder. I wish Deborah head wasn't. You see his head at the top of her head, and then he gonna fall. Watch she look real fast. Oop, and then his mama gonna come running up. Yeah, she ain't run fast enough. She just let him lay there for a little bit. And then he got up and act like nothing happened. He cried for a little bit, then he got up and started playing. See, that's how you know that they bad. That's bad kids. But anyways, back to the install. I just hate to give y'all a backstory on that. I don't even know who baby that is. I don't know why they in my house. Let me stop playing. But so yeah, this was my first time installing a 360 frontal wig. It was pretty easier than what I thought it would be, you know. And when I went straight in like I knew what I was doing. Like, look at me. Like, look at me. It looked like I really know what I'm doing. And don't. And didn't. But it do look like I really know what I'm doing. Like, so I just went in and did the back just like how I would do the front. Pretty much that's it. That's really all. All you have to do is do the back how you would do the front. Simple as that. I actually thought I filmed more of the back, but I kept going to sit in my bed because my stomach was hurt. And every time I left, Deborah was cutting my camera off, and I did not know that. I thought it was still filming every time I came back, and it wasn't. I mean, I thank her for that because she didn't want me to run out of battery. She didn't want me to run out of storage. That's a real lifesaver. And then she came braided on top of that. Huh.
You'll never find a friend like mine.
Let me stop playing with y'all. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing the ball cap. It's nothing special. Yeah, I feel like I do my ball cap and how everybody else do their ball cap. Something simple, you know. If I find another way to do a ball cap, I will let y'all know. But it's the same way. Majority of the people do it. Like that right there. The glue I'm using is Hold Me. Wait. Yeah, I think Hold Me by someone from the UK. Look at that. Pluckage. Yeah, I did that. I plucked her. I didn't bleach her though. See, the ball cap not really all that. But when I get to really installing it, it's gonna look like it's all day. Like, it's gonna be undetectable. So at the end of the day, it's really not gonna matter. And yes, I left her sideburns out because that's just something I do. Because we don't need her frontal passing up her ears. You know what I'm saying? And you do not have to shave off their sideburns. Because what you doing that for? No, you're not gonna be able to tell that her sideburns are out when we done. Like, that's just that on that. But back to this glue, I was trying to figure out where I got it from. I think it's called Hold Up. and it's by the Mona label on Instagram. I found her on TikTok, I believe, and she's based in the UK. You know, the UK girlies always come with the come up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I've been using her glue ever since I found her. I always restock with her glue. If y'all want me to try any other glues, let me know. Comment down below because I like to try different things. Like I'm not stuck on one product. Oh, okay. Yeah. Y'all see it? I don't think I did the back yet. I just did the front and then I came back and did the back after I blow dried it. I really thought I filmed me doing the back, but it's just basically what the same thing I did at the front, guys. Don't be crying about she didn't show it the way you do it. It's the same thing. I swear I just did the same exact thing at the back that I did at the front. The quality of this hair, it wasn't all that. It wasn't all that at all. I'll give the quality of this hair about a 6.5 or 7. It's giving surprise. Stop playing with me. So the hairstyle we were supposed to do is like just a ponytail, but I wanted to do this. I guess you can say Jada inspired hairstyle. Inspired, not exactly like with the bangs and the little updo, right? Like a real cute messy look. That's what I was going for. So the reason you see the back not looking like all sleek like the front is because I was going for a messy look. You see what I'm saying? She is too cute. Look at her. Oh, now she tired. I'm just going in with my Erica J gel. That's all I use on my baby hairs. And we're going to swoop de whoop, get her right. Hold on, y'all, because we're late. We're late, y'all. Hold up. We're late, y'all.
different, took a different route and still no feeling. My mind seen it clear, them comes I needed here. Voice from a different ear, Jay-Z I hear you clear. You gotta be ahead of the game, you wanna be the man. You gotta understand all the angles of every strand. That's why I'm chasing this paper, I know these niggas be hating. I'm grabbing my gang, no straight bitches, we don't want relations. Host what we elevated, told my cousins be patient, them ice in the side. And y'all dropping them notes on y'all payments. Gang, my day one switching on me, man, this shit is crazy. Missing my daughter, like remember my whole name as a baby. My mind shifted, I'm control, I'm gifted. The kid growing up, now I thank God for the wisdom. I thank God for the wisdom. I thank God for the wisdom. I thank God for the wisdom.
When I was doing the ponytail, I really wasn't trying to be all perfect. That's why you see me just slapping that got to be on there and just smoothing it up. Yes, we all see that track right there, but are you gonna see it at the end? No, so stop playing. Okay, so for this part, yeah, I wasn't being all neat and stuff like that because I'm like, I don't know, I wasn't even being for real with this, but she came out looking like I knew what I was doing. Like, that's crazy. So this part seems pretty self-explanatory to me. Um, this actually was not a tutorial, but I hope you did learn something from it. You know, I hope you're a good visual learner. You know what I'm saying? Like me, because this was not a tutorial. I was just showing y'all what I did. I just be trying to show y'all what I do. Let me know if you learned a little one too. Okay. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I hope I see you in the next video. Am I? See you in the next video, but I can't see you in the next video if you're not subscribed, right? Bye.
Wait.
Hold up, girl. Stay tuned to see how Dee Dee's hair came out at the end. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Sipping on shit that come from the west, ain't chirping, I'm running go full of high chick, might snatch me up. Pussy boy, you know the rest. Dad got big, gon' sit with your chest. Do the shit down, your shit hit a face on. Big red, black, no chrome, can never be cloned. I just been stuck in the rapper. Most of these niggas be capping. Can't go back to the block, I'm trapping. Pop me a glad just for some action. Pop that glad in here to the mall. Won't beat bitch out on the ball. Can't wear J's, ain't carry no ball. When it's my time to pay, I'ma stop. Pop me a 30, feel like the moon man. In jail, I was the tomb man. I was selling shit in the school man. Only calculation was the blues man. Dropped out of school, way too cool. Still hit the block, you know I got a tool. You on my fragrance, the whole truth. Tryna click to some groupies, they part of the crew. I'm always shaking bed, ain't calling it off. She say I'm way too fresh, wanna fuck me raw. CVV's in my mouth every time I call. Fill my cup full of water, try to gather my thoughts. Don't call no loss, yeah. Beef makeup, then head straight to the mall, yeah. Javinci Dior, you say you want it all, yeah. VS1, V1, they hitting hard, yeah. Fuck around, fell in love with the cup. Can't trust no slut, can't chase no bitch. Gotta taste them bucks. Sipping on shit that come from the west, ain't chirping, I'm running go full of high chick, might snatch me up. Pussy boy, you know the rest. Dad got big, gon' sit with your chest. Do the shit down, your shit hit a face on.